Okay, Sunday, May 5th, 2 p.m. I turned this machine on less than half an hour ago, along with the compressor side, and it was running okay for a few minutes. Inside the house, slowly the airflow slowed down and stopped. And now you can hear outside, all it is humming. The fan is on, so it should be running all the time. Service disconnect pull. Let it sit for a few moments. This is what it's been doing for the last couple weeks. The last technician that came out here was only able to duplicate this for some reason. But hopefully it will show you, I will be able to show you this right now. Service disconnect back in. It may already be too hot to start back up again. Okay. I'm gonna go check the main breakers. Be back.